What is the best move in this chess position? And we are the black pieces. Let's look at this right quick. First of all, our opponent has all these pieces around the king, but they're still in a terrible position. And even though our king isn't castled and our pieces on the queen side has not been moved at all, white still has a terrible position, especially after this move, knight to f3. Now the only move that white can do in this situation is take this knight with the bishop. And after that knight is taken and then we take back with the pawn, the only best move for white to do is do queen e2 to get out of the checkmate. Because if they do any other move like knight d5, then we could do queen h3 and threaten checkmate on the g2 square. And even if they try to save it, we could just take the knight. And that's why for the computers, they're like, nah, you're gonna have to give away that queen and like sacrifice your queen for the f3 pawn just to get out of that checkmate threat of queen h3 to g2.